आज हम सूरा कलम अल कलम के बारे में तिलावत करेंगे। सूरा अल कलम, सूरा नंबर 68, अल कलम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's name to commence with the most gracious, the most merciful. Noon wal kalami wa ma yashturun. Noon. This is an individual letters of the Arabic alphabet. Allah and His Messenger know their exact meaning, know its exact meaning by the oath of the pen and of what it has written. Ma anta bi ni'mati rabbika majnun. With the benevolence of your Lord, O beloved, you are not insane. Wa inna laka la akhran khayra mamnunin, and definitely for you is everlasting reward. Wa innaka la alla khulqi azimi, and O beloved, your excellent character is undoubtedly of a superb standard. فَسَتُبْصِرُ وَيُبْصِرُونَ بِأَيِّكُمُ الْمَفْتُونُ. So very soon, you, O beloved, will see, and they too will see, that who among us you was insane. Inna rabbaka huwa alamu biman shalan an sabilihi wa huwa alamu bimuhtadin. Indeed, Vastama, your Lord knows well those who have strayed from his path, and he knows वो जानता है well those who are upon the path of guidance. فَلَمَّا تُؤْتِئِ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ وَدُوا لَوْ تُدْهِنَّ وَيُدْهِنُونَ. Therefore, do not listen to those who belie जो जुटलाते हैं. They are wishing this, that in some way you may soften, that is compromise on religious issues, so they too might soften their stand. وَلَا تُطِيعْ كُلَّ حَلَافٍ مُهِينٍ. And do not listen to any excessive oath monger and disgraceful person, that is Walid bin Mughira, Amazi Mashai Vinamin, the excessive taunter, going about excessively slandering, यानी कि मना ली खैरी मुहतदी अशीमी, the excessive hinderer of goodness, transgressors, sinners. Utuli ba'da zalika zimim, with the immoral character besides all that he is all illegitimate word. Inna kana za zamali أبانينا إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أشاطير الأولين, because he has some wealth and sons. When the verses are recited to him, he says, these are the stories of the earlier people. Shanashimu wa alal khurtum, we will soon brand him over his pig-like snort. إِنَّا وَلَوْنَاهُمْ كَمَا وَلَوْنَا أَصْحَابَ الْجَنَّةِ إِذْ أَقْسَمُوا لَيَشْرَبُونَهَا مُشْرِبِينَ. We have indeed tested them, that is the people of Makkah, the way we had tested the ones of that gardens when they swore an oath that they would definitely cut its crop in the morning. ولا يستشنون فطاف عليها طائف من ربك ونائمون وأشواهة كشارين تنادون مشبهين إني اغدوا على عرشكم إن كنتم شارمين فانزلكوا وهم يتخافتون إن لا يدخلانها اليوم عليكم عليكم مسكين وغدوا على هرد قادرين فلما رأوها قالوا إن لشالون نحن محرومون قال أو ستوموا على أقل لكم لولا لتشبهون قالوا سبحان ربك إن كنا ظالمين أقبل وعدهم على بعد يتلاومون قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا طاغين عسى ربنا إن يبدلنا خيرا منها إن ربك راغبون. And they did not say, if Allah will sow a twister, that is severe storm from your Lord, completely it around, destroying the harvest whilst they were sleeping, so in the morning it became like a destroyed fruit garden. Then they called out to each other at daybreak that go to your farms in the early morning if you want to pluck fruit. So they walked while whispering to one another that today no needy person should enter your garden at all, and they proceeded early in the morning, assuming they have power over their intention to prevent the poor taking fruits therefrom. Then, when Jab they saw it, that is the devastated garden, they said, "We have indeed strayed. Rather, we have become ill-fated." The most reasonable amongst them said, "Did I not tell you that? Why do you not glorify Allah?" They said, "Glory be to our Lord. Indeed, वास्तव में we were unjust. हम अन्याय थे." No one opposed the other while blaming. They said, यानी कि woe to us, indeed we were rebellious. Hopefully our Lord may give us a better replacement, that is garden than this. We turn towards our Lord. كذلك وعذاب آخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون. Such is the punishment, and indeed Vastama, the punishment of the hereafter is the greatest. How good it would have been for them if they knew. Inna lilmuttaqina inda rabbika jannati naimi fanaj'alu muslimina la فالمجرمين ما لكم كيف تحكمون. Indeed, Vastami, for the pious ones with their Lord and gardens of bliss. Should we make the Muslims equal to the criminals in treatment? What is the matter with you? How unwisely do you judge? أو لكم كتاب فيهم تدرسون إن لكم فيه لما تخيرون. Is there a divine book for you from which you read, yani that for you there is such writing that what you choose. أم لكم أيمانكم علينا يعني والغات إلى يوم القيامة إن لكم لما تحكمون. Or do you have some oaths binding upon us, stretching until the day of resurrection, that you will get whatever you claim. سلهم أيهم بذلك زعيم أم لهم شركاء فليأتوا بشركائهم إن كانوا صادقين. You should ask them who among them is a guarantor for that claim, or do they have partners who may support them in their claim, so they should bring their partners if they are truthful. يوم يكشفون عن ساق ويدعون إلى سجود ولا يستطيعون خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة وقد كانوا يدعون إلى سجود وهم سالمون. On the day when a sin will be exposed, the meaning of which only Allah knows, and they will be called to prostrate, so they will be unable to do so. With lowered eyes, humiliation upon will be covering them. Indeed, they used to be called in this world to prostrate whilst they were healthy. फज़रनी वमन युकज़्ज़िबून बिहाज़िल हदीसी सनस्तदरिजुहुम मिन हैसु यअलमून। Therefore, the one who belies this discourse, any discourse that is the Quran, leave him to me. It is close that we will gradually take them from where they know not. Umli lahum in kaidi matinu, and I will give them respite molat. I will give them respite. Indeed, my hidden plan is very solid. أم تجعلهم أجرا وهم من مغرمين مشكلون. Oh, it is that you, O beloved, ask for compensation from them, that they are burdened with the penalty. Indahumul ghaibu fahum la yaktubuna. Oh, that they possess the knowledge of the unseen, that with it they are weighting it down, that they are successful. فاشور لحكم ربك ولا تكن كشاهد الحوت إذ نادى وهو مكتوم. Therefore wait for the command of your Lord, and do not be like the one associated with the fish, that is the prophet Yunus, who called upon his Lord in a state when he was in distress. لولا أن تداركهم نعمة من ربهم لنبذ بالعراء وهو مذموم فدعا ربه فجعله من الصالحين. Had the favor of his Lord not reached in order to take care of him, so he would have certainly been thrown onto the bare shore. Condemned by his people, his Lord henceforth chose him and made him amongst those who deserve his special closeness. وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونها بأبصارهم دون الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون وهو إلى ذكر للعالمين. And the one and the disbelievers وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقون بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون وهو إلى ذكر العالمين. And the disbelievers definitely seem as if they would make you fall down by casting their evil eyes whenever they hear the Quran, and they say this Prophet Muhammad is far from negligent intelligence, and that is the Quran or the beloved Prophet is not but advice to all the words. अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।